bags have started to arrive. At least mom's bag is here, so hopefully mine is not far behind. 5142. And of course, coming in, you have behind the door the emergency placard, so you know where to go for your muster station. We already been to our muster station and checked in. And the closet, there are our life jackets. Lots of hanging space on this side. More hanging space on this side. Ooh, we have 3 doors. We have 3 doors. What's behind door number 3? Oh, shelves. Shelves, shelves, shelves. Nice. There we go. We just came into the cabin, so the safety info is still playing. This is the bathroom. Okay, standard Carnival bathroom. The shower stall, not too small, but it does have the curtain. Nice mirrors, towels, everything's looking nice and clean. Of course, then we have the desk area with a mom. Not every cabin comes with this one, but my mom comes with this one. The desk area, we got some drawers with the hair dryer. We'll get unpacked in a little bit once all of our bags arrive. Nice little seating area. I already have to plug up so we can get all charged up. Then of course we have the fridge. We ordered some water, so we have our water waiting here for us. And the safe is below the TV here. Here's the TV. Still giving us the safety information. More mirror and space. Shelving space. We literally just came in, so we have all of our stuff plopped down on the table and sofa. We have the bed split apart for 2, and they have night tables with lamps. Oh, it looks like there's storage in the little drawer underneath here too, so I don't know if we'll need that, but it's there. And these tables and lamps do not have a plug-in or an outlet for charging. I know I showed that on the desk area, but let me try to go it again. Just the phone. There is one 110 outlet and one European outlet, so if you want to bring an adapter so that you can use the 2, that looks like that's all there is. I do have an adapter that will give us more space to plug in, and it has USB ports also. Okay, Mom, we ready to check out what's behind door number 2, I guess we'll call it? Okay, now this cabin was listed as an obstructed view, so I'm a little bit concerned about our balcony, but so far this view is calling. It's calling. Let's see if we can get out here and see our view. It's not bad. Okay, let me get the door because it is heavy. We still have 2 chairs. Whoop. Hold on. We have a little table over there, and we have 2 chairs so we can sit out at, and we see the top of a lifeboat, but we can see out past that too. So I knew that it was a partially obstructed balcony, so that's all right. Less obstructed than I thought it would be, but I'll have to be creative and trying to film around it or over it. But we're okay. We're okay. This is totally workable. Totally workable. So I'm not too disappointed with the obstructed balcony. It's not a bad view. It's not a bad view. And I didn't point out on the bed I always like to see the mat out so that you can unpack, put your suitcase on, not get the bedspread all dirty, or you know, the germs from the suitcase travel. Okay, that's it for our room tour.